Hello students, this is third lecture of mathematics. In this lecture, we are going to deal with addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices and multiplication of matrices by a scalar quantity. First, addition of matrices. Two matrices can be added when the order of both the matrices are same, means same number of rows and columns. If A equal to Aij m cross n and B is equal to Bij m cross n, then their sum A plus B is the matrix C is equal to Cij m cross n, means the order of A and B should be same for adding both the matrix. If we add the matrix A and B, again we will get the same order matrix where Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. We have to take the same position respective element with from both the given matrices. For example, if A equal to this matrix, B equal to this, then find A plus B. For finding A plus B, we have to add same position element with each other. This 1 and 2, then 3 with 5, and 5 and 7, and this 7 and 0. So we get 3, 8, 12 and 7. This subtraction of matrices. The same way, if you want to subtract any two or more than two matrices, for that we need same order of matrix. That means we can say A minus B is equal to A plus or minus B. In the same way we can add as like a addition of matrix. If we see the example, A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, B is equal to 2, 5, 7, 0, then A minus B. So A minus B, again we have to take the respective elements with respect to their positions, means 1 minus 2, then 3 minus 5, then 5 minus 7, then 7 minus 0. So we will get minus 1, minus 2, minus 2 and 7. Multiplication of matrices by a scalar quantity. If we want to multiply any scalar quantity with the matrices, then this scalar quantity should be multiplied with each and every element of the matrices. As we can see in the example, A is equal to this given matrices. If you want to find 3A, then this 3 should be multiplied with each element of the matrices, so that we will get the required result, that is our answer. Say some solved questions. If A is equal to this, B is equal to this, then verify that A plus B is equal to B plus A. As we know in algebra, addition is commutative. That means A plus B is equal to B plus C. B plus A, both will give the same result. So as we can see, by adding A plus B, the matrix which we get is equal to the matrix which we get by adding B plus A. So question number 2, A, B and C are given. Verify that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. That means if we add A plus B first, then the result will be added with C, or if we add a B plus C first and then add with A, then also we'll get the same result. The question number 7, simplify. Cos theta, this matrices, cos theta is multiplying with this matrices, means this cos theta is multiplied with each and every element of matrix. Now sin theta, this matrix, so we have to multiply first this cos theta inside the matrix, then we'll get this result. After that we have to add the respective element, means first element of first matrix cos square theta, first element of second matrix is sin square theta, so cos square theta plus sin square theta, like that we have to add it. This same quantity cancel out, this also cancel out, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, this also 1, so we'll get this result. Say example 8, find x and y if x plus y is equal to this and x minus y is equal to this. If we solve this as like a algebraic equations, means like a linear equation, so x plus y and x minus y, if we add it, so by adding this two equation, y will be cancel out and 2x equal to, we have to add these two matrices right hand side, so by adding this two we'll get this matrix. By sending this 2 in right hand side, we'll get x equal to 1 by 2 10 0 2 8. This 1 by 2 is a scalar quantity, it should be multiplied with each and every element inside the matrix. By multiplying it, this will be divided. This 10 by 2 is 5, 0 by 2 0, 2 by 2 1, and 8 by 2, that is 4. Again we subtracting the equation, by subtracting it, this x will be cancel out, then y will remain. By adding right hand side of the matrices, we will get this result. 1 by 2 again multiply inside the matrix, we will get this result. So this is the value of x and y. In the same way you can solve this question number 9. See some exercise question. A and B is given as the order of first matrix 2 row 3 column 2 cross 3, order of second matrix B, this second 2 row 3 column, the order is same, so we can add it. So simply we have to add with the respective element. Question number 2, here also addition and subtraction only. So you just go through with this exercise. If you are having any doubt, I will clear in the next lecture. Thank you.